and thank you so much for stopping by my channel, A is for Apple. In this series, we are learning how to write our lowercase letters in cursive, just a few letters each day. In today's video number 8 of this series, we will practice how to script lowercase letters V, W, and X. I have linked some handwriting sheets in the description below so you may print them and practice with me. Now let's head on over to my writing desk. For today's warm-up drill, we will call it M&Ms. Now I can't promise these will melt in your mouth, but we'll definitely have fun with them anyhow. Let's begin. So this is what our row should look like, taking it from the beginning of the line to the end of the line. So we'll start at the bottom right here with the blue line, and we're just going to give it a nice overturn. And all of them should connect and look like this, just an up and down motion. Up and down. And also try to space each of our strokes as evenly as possible. Just a few more. Good job. Let's try another row of M&Ms. Up and down. Y'all make it look so easy. Up and down. And think about spacing each stroke evenly apart, keeping our work nice and neat. Almost there. Wonderful. So our first letter is lowercase v, and let's break that down a bit. So our first stroke was that nice overturn we just practiced with our M&Ms. And from here, at the bottom, once we hit the blue line, we want to curve upward to the red dotted line, and then bring it home with our smile. Let's try it slowly again. Create that nice overturn. Right here, as soon as you hit that blue line, start making a curve. Head on up to the red dotted line and give it our smile. Let's try a couple of V's. Nice and slow. Good. And remember to try to space each letter as evenly apart as possible. Nice. Our last one. You got it. Let's try another row of V's. We go up, down, up, bring it around. Up, down, up, give it our smile. Just a few more, you're doing good. And our last one, make it the best. Yes, love that smile. Good job. Our second letter is lowercase w. So let's break this down as well. So our W begins again at the bottom, this blue line. Our first stroke is up to the red dotted line. And then coming straight down, we're going to create a curve and another curve. And those are called underturns this time. Let's try it now. That's our leader line. And remember, we practiced this quite a few times. Nice. It's like we're creating two U's. Let's start with our nice leader line. Underturn, underturn, smile. Let's try it again. Leader line. Underturn, underturn, smile. Let's try a few more W's. Take it slowly up to the red dotted line. Nice. Good job. Try to space everything as evenly as possible, just like we did our M&Ms. We have similar strokes here, and we want to keep each stroke as evenly apart as possible. That's how we get our work or keep our work neatly. Nice. Our last one, and let's finish it good. Great job. So our last letter for today is lowercase x. And I just wanted to explain it just a little bit more because I know I've been using the terms overturn and underturn a lot. So in this first part of the X, where we start at the blue baseline and end at the baseline, so that's this part right here, this is our overturn. And we can see with the arrows, we just start at the blue line, hit the red dotted line, and come back to the blue line. Now our underturn is the second part of the X, which starts again at the red dotted line and ends at the red dotted line, and that's shown in this diagram. And again, we follow our arrows to see how to do that. And of course, we wrap everything up with our bar, which is this piece right here. And when we have an overturn and an underturn in the same letter, we call it a compound curve. So I just wanted to make these quick drawings just to make it easier for you to visualize. So let's try a few X's now. So we start at the blue baseline up to the red dotted line, and then finish it off with our bar. Nice. And you realize it looks just like our compound curve here, and then we add a bar. So let's try it again. Up, down, up, bar. Up, down, up, bar. And what we also want to try to remember is to place that bar nice and centered, and that'll give us the nicest looking X possible. Let's try a few more. Nice. Up, down, up, and get that bar right in the center. Let's try two more. And of course, make it our best one. Good. Let's try one more row of X's. Up, down, up. Nice. And if you see how fluid our hand moves on the page, that's because we did our warm-up. Because if we don't do our warm-ups, it'll be hard sometimes to get your wrist to move, to get that pen to move. So that's why I like to do our warm-up drills. And I always say, getting our hands ready to do some cursive writing. Warm-ups are always so important in everything that we do. Last one. Great job. So here's the fun part, where we get to make words out of the letters we've learned so far. And that's a lot of letters we've learned so far, so today's words will be quite interesting. Our first word is Xerox. Now this word has 2 X's and we just practiced them. Now we have to try to put them all together. Let's break this down. So let's work the X first with our overturn and underturn. Nice. Let's just put in our bar. Now how do we connect our E? If we look here, we notice that it was connected with our smile. We just bring the smile just a little bit lower so we can get that nice full loop of our E, like this. Good job. Now we can continue upward because we know how to construct our R and our O. Slowly. So now we're like right here. So how do we connect that X? If you notice here, we take our smile all the way to the red dotted line. So let's try that. Coming right back down and back up again. And let's give it our cross right in the middle. Nice job. Let's try that again. And just so it could start looking like Xerox, we can give it our cross early. Let's work that E. Good job. Right here, we just want to pay attention that we get that loop nice and open. Let's do our R and our O. Get that smile in there for our O right here and hit it right back up at that red dotted line. Down and up and give it our cross. Nice. Let's try vase. And this will help us to practice the V we learned today. So again, we're going to start this at our blue line up to the red dotted line. Now how do we connect our A? The same way we did our X to our E for Xerox, with a smile. Nice. Let's get our S in there. Good job. Let's try vase a couple more times. Get a smile. And let's try it one more time. Taking it nice and slow. Good job. Nice. Our last word is water, and we'll get to practice our W. Starting again at our baseline, our blue line. Let's get that W in. We just learned it. And again, we're going to connect that A with our smile. Take that T all the way up to that other blue line. And remember, with our R's, we want to make sure that that second part of our R is shorter than the first part, right there. Let's try water again. Connect the A with our smile. And don't forget to cross our T. Let's try water one last time. And make it good because it's our last. Great job. Don't forget to cross our T. Nice. You did a wonderful job today. So here's a fist bump. Now don't forget our 3 P's that we talk about all the time and explained in our foundational video number 1. Posture, practice, and patience. And always remember that any progress is good progress. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing. It's free. Commenting, hitting that notification bell, and giving the old thumbs up. Keep at it, and I'll see you back in class. Bye-bye.